Hi guys, naghahanap ba kayo ng budget-friendly and affordable pasyalan at park dito sa Quezon City? Well, for today's vlog, yan ang ituturo ko sa inyo. So, dito tayo today sa La Mesa Eco Park and good news sa mga Quezon City residents na may QC ID, libre ito sa inyo. So, tara guys, kuha muna tayo ng ticket dito sa kanilang entrance gate. Yan. Dito merong small nipa hut dito and dito tayo kukuha. So, ito na yung ating wristband ticket.
Thank you.
Make sure to bring your QC ID para libre na rin ang inyong entrance. So for the children naman na nag-aaral, kapag ang kanilang school ay Quezon City address, dalhin rin ang kanilang ID at libre na rin sila sa entrance. For the children below 5 years old, libre rin ang entrance. Kung wala naman kayong Quezon City ID, you need to pay 20 pesos for the entrance fee. So yan, tapos na tayo magbayad. Let's go inside. Welcome to La Mesa Eco Park. So ayan, let's explore the place. So walang masyadong tao ngayon. The best time na magpunta dito is yung early morning walk and jogging, and also in the afternoon yung hindi gaano kainit. So ngayon, kalmado lang yung weather and it's the best time para mag-jogging and mag-walking dito sa loob ng Eco Park with family. Meron rin pala silang mga bike rentals katulad dito. So, screenshot nyo na lang yung price for your reference. Then, na-curious rin kami dito sa kanilang butterfly garden. So, puntahan rin natin. Pero merong additional charge na 60 pesos pag pumasok kayo sa kanilang butterfly garden. So, tara, pasok na tayo sa loob. So, you need to pay first 60 pesos para makapasok kayo dito sa loob ng butterfly garden.
Cute.
So this butterfly garden is such a beautiful and an exciting nature walk for the children. So kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable and educational na pasyalan for the kids, this is a perfect place for the children. Learning about the cycle of the butterfly and also para na ring mini field trip for them and a nature walk as well. Also guys, travel tips, if you're planning to go here, best time na magpunta dito is early morning, a Saturday or a Sunday. Talagang ma-enjoy nyo, especially in the morning. Malamig yung weather dito sa loob, and at the same time, please wear comfortable footwear. Specifically, mas maganda na mag-wear kayo and also the children ng rubber shoes pag pupunta kayo dito. So that's it for today guys. Thanks very much for watching. Comment down below kapag naka-visit na rin kayo dito. Subscribe to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels, for more travel vlog. Thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone. Bye!
Ayan na sila, oh.